Hi all, it's Sofan from TechCycle. In this video we are going to unbox Zomei's wide angle converter and I'm going to give you guys my initial impression on that wide angle converter. So let's jump into this video. If you don't know what is a wide angle converter, it is an adapter for your lens. It is going to convert your regular lens into a wide angle lens, and it's going to be mounted inside the filter mount section of the lens. So it's going to easily and efficiently convert your regular lens into a wide angle lens, because wide angle lenses are very costly to purchase, but this adapter is very cheap. This Zomei's wide angle converter cost like 18 bucks for me, so it's a bang for the buck for me. So let's jump into this unboxing. So on the box you are going to get the regular booklet with a silica gel, that sort of thing, with the lens and a pouch. The pouch is a leather pouch to carry all this lens and stuff around, and it got a cleaning cloth for itself. So it's a good package, and on the box it's like a premium product for me. And this is the product. So it is heavy, little bit heavy on my Canon M50. It is front heavy while inserting this mount. So this is a little bit heavy and it's built like tank. You can see that it's made of metal and it got a tested surface. It's metal, that's why I'm saying it's a premium product, because it is made of metal and it's very heavy. It's built like tank. It's going to be robust and it's going to be very strong. It's the initial impression, because I'll just show you guys some b-roll of the tested surface of this wide angle converter. So the reason for choosing this wide angle converter is that it is very cheap, and if you look at the wide angle converter section you can find a lot of other options, but the reason for this one is that it's only single lens. You can find that it's only single lens, so the quality reduction won't be that much high while using a single adapter. But if you look at other option, there is other option which comes with the two lens, that is one macro and one adapter. But the reason for not choosing that is the reduction in quality because of that two lens, and while using that there is vignetting on the widest angle, but while using this there is no vignetting. I'm going to mount this on my M50 right now so you can see how wide is this is really. So if you calculate, my 15 to 45 mm lens is like 24 to 72 mm because of the crop, that is 1.6 crop, and while inserting this is going to be like 11 to 32, so it's very wide for me because 24 to times like that, so it's like 0.45 mm wide angle lens. So you can do that math. So it's this wide. Look at the side, you can find that. Okay. Here you can find that there's like fisheye effect. Yeah, there is small fisheye effect on the lens, because that's why if you look at my hand, there you can find that there is like a small fisheye effect on this. So you can find that there is a flower on that side, and you can see the curtain over here. Yeah, over here. So you see that. Look. So another reason for getting this adapter is that while using this adapter I can get the aperture to be 3.5, that is my kit lens aperture, but on the wide angle lens the starting aperture is like 4 on the Canon's APS-C wide angle lens. So that's the reason for getting this wide angle converter than going for a wide angle lens. Also it's very cheap, it's like 18 bucks and that lens is like 200-300 bucks, so do the math. So on the quality base I can't find anything that much bad about this. Apart from that, I got a flare on my hair, and another thing is that the fisheye effect, that's the initial impression. So so that's it. That's all about this unboxing plus initial impression, guys. I'm going to make a full review of this with some samples photos, so you can see the real difference of using this wide angle lens. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one, and don't forget to subscribe.